Well, good evening, everyone. It's been a fantastic day so far. There was some rain earlier this morning, but temperatures warmed up for us. The wind has been very strong so far today. A 44-mile-per-hour wind gust down in Robinson last hour. But beyond that, we are looking at some sunshine breaking through the clouds, and we are rain-free at this point. Things are going to change a bit for us. You notice not much going on here locally, but we'll take a step out here on the radar, and you can see some warnings that are just back to our west. They're about 200 miles west of Terre Haute, and as that cold front moves closer to the valley, well, that's what's going to bring us that potential to see some stronger storms later today. In fact, the entire Wabash Valley is under an enhanced risk to see some of those stronger storms heading into the evening tonight. That's as that cold front approaches. Looking ahead, primary threats for the evening tonight are going to be some damaging wind gusts and also locally heavy rain leading to flooding. In addition to that, we could see some hail out of these storms. Also, looking just back to our west, the threat of a few spin-up tornadoes. We do not have a watch here locally, but check out where our watches are. The red indicating a tornado watch that is just to the west of the Wabash Valley. And again, that line is headed in our direction moving ahead into this evening. In addition, flooding, of course, a concern since yesterday. We have an ongoing flash flood watch that will be in effect for everyone through this evening. Enjoy these next few hours while the sun is still out and these temperatures are still warm. 77 right now, strong wind out of the south-southwest at 16 miles per hour and wind gusts in excess of 30, possibly 40 miles per hour, certainly going to be possible. Numbers are extremely warm. We have all of this moisture and warm air being lifted into the valley right now. 77 in KZ, 78 in Robinson, and 78 down in Vincennes. Taking a look at the bigger picture now, here's the setup. We have this very deep center of low pressure that's just back to our west. There's that line of storms along that cold front, this boundary that's going to scoot its way east. And again, just now making its way into western Illinois, going to be moving in here in a few minutes, or a few hours rather. Here's Futurecast beginning at 5 o'clock this evening. This is when that line looks to first push into our Illinois counties around 9 o'clock. So this is going to happen after that sun starts to set, which is a good thing for us because some of these storms are going to lose a little bit of that energy to make them become even stronger. So that's a good thing that it's happening late, but it's going to be happening as most of us are heading to bed for the night. Here's 10 p.m. as the line approaches closer to the border and then crossing into Indiana around 11 o'clock. By midnight tonight, our counties in Illinois will be clear of this, and eventually that severe threat comes to an end around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. So paying attention to the weather if you do have plans later tonight, 9 through 11 o'clock, going to be that primary time for that cold front to pass by. And then it turns cooler as the sky clears out. Upper 40s by tomorrow morning, and then daytime highs tomorrow only going to be in the mid 60s. And looking ahead at our Friday, shaping up to be fantastic. You notice the sky stays clear, putting us into our Saturday as well. Not much going to change. A very nice dry weekend lies ahead. But in the meantime, again, we have to pay attention for that threat of severe weather that happens potentially tonight. Evening storms, then clearing through the overnight. 47, that overnight low temperature. Plenty of sunshine set to work its way back in Friday into Saturday. Temperatures a bit cooler though, topping out the 60s for this weekend, but I think we'll all take some cooler weather as compared to this rain and stormy activity that we've been dealing with so far this week.